Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. It's me Mason, and today we are going to be doing another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the NutriBullet blender. So yeah, let's get on the video. So guys, before we start opening this blender, I just want to say that this is a gift from my father to my mom, and Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said خيركم خيركم لأهله, which means the best of you is the one who is best to his wife. So yeah, let's get on with the video now. But before we start opening, I'm just going to show you around the box, how the box looks like. So yeah, here is the front. Now I'm going to show you the side, just like this. And now I'm going to show you the back, which looks like this. And the other side. And yeah, now let's get to opening. So since you saw the packaging, how it already looks like, I'm just going to get to opening. So yeah, here is the top. So I'm just going to open it up like this. And this looks like it goes from here, this side. And here is the packaging. So yeah, let's first get this out. Actually, I'm going to move it here. And now let's take stuff one by one out. First, we have this Ziploc bag, which has the manual and stuff. So now I'm just going to take it out so you guys could see it. Here it is. It says, inside it probably says all the stuff you can put inside, all the stuff you can't, and how to wash it and stuff like that. So yeah, you can check that later. And then we have this little thing. It's also kind of like a recipe. It shows a bunch of recipes here, I think. Yeah, it shows a bunch of recipes. So yeah, now let's get to the packaging. We're gonna put that aside. So guys, since you saw the manual and stuff, I needed a little help. So I need a little help from my dad to get the box out. So this is how the packaging looks like. We have a cable here. So now let's open this up. Here it is. I love it so much. It looks so nice. We got the red color, and there are other colors you can check online. So yeah. Now I'm going to carefully take a piece out. So I'm going to put it right there. I'm going to move this aside if I can. Right there. Okay, here we have the little cup which you put on the blender. And then you put stuff inside and mix it. So yeah, now let's get it out. Here is how it looks like. Basically, this is the cup. And yes, if you are alone, you better not touch this. So this is sharp, so you better not touch this if you. So guys, if you are making a smoothie alone at home, you need to have parental supervision, because as you guys can see, this is very sharp. So be careful not to cut yourself on this. So yeah, here's how it looks like. We have this jar, and now I'm going to close it back up. So it says warning here, what, like, not to get cut. So yeah, now guys, now we are going to take the bottom half of the blender, which is a super duper heavy. This is how it looks like. Basically, that's the inside. Now we got to carefully flip it over so I can get it out. Now, let me try to get this out if I can. Here we go. Let's carefully get it out, not to break it. So like this. Oh my god, this is so heavy. I can't even hold it with one hand. Here's how it looks like. We got the red. It says NutriBullet right there. And down here you can see that. Over here it says that. And yeah, so this cup actually goes onto here like this. So let me try to put it in. Okay, I don't know how to put it in, but yeah, there we go. So guys, this is what it says here. You can read it as well at home. So yeah, and this is what it says on the back of the blender right here. Here is this, the other side. So yeah, let's put it.
A few moments later.
Assalamu alaikum again, and since you guys already saw the unboxing, now I'm gonna show you a quick recipe that you could do. So for this recipe I'm using some bananas, some spinach, and some mixed nuts, as you can see. And for the liquid ingredients I'm using milk, but you can also use water. So yeah, now let's get to the ingredients. Let's get to mixing. So this is what I'm using, as you can see, and before you do anything you always need to say Bismillah. So yeah, let's get on with the stuff. So I'm gonna pour in the bananas first, so put them in like that. Now I'm gonna be putting the spinach, so let's put it in just like that. Get that piece out. There we go. And now I'm gonna put the mixed nuts in just like that. And for the last ingredient I'm going to use milk, but as you can see over here it says max and then a line. You cannot pour any liquid ingredients more than the line. So yeah, now let's pour it in. Okay, looks like we might need another cup, so yeah. So now, since you've put all your ingredients inside this cup thing, it's okay if you don't use enough liquid. It's okay. You can use even less. And now we're gonna put the top on just like this. And before you put this part onto the blender, the cap needs to be on very tightly. So yeah, now let's carefully, I'm gonna need some help putting it on, but now I'm just gonna put it on and I'm gonna need some help screwing it on. So 3 things you need to keep in mind is you cannot overfill it above the max sign. You cannot pour hot ingredients inside. And the 3rd thing is you cannot mix more than 1 minute. So yeah. So now let's mix it. Bismillah. 3, 2, 1. That worked very nicely. There we go. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you something, that you can press it down and then turn it left to keep it there. So yeah. There we go. And just turn right to unlock it. So yeah, now I think it's done. It looks pretty done. So yeah, let's get it out now. So since I took it off the blender, now let's open it up and pour it into this cup. This is on so tightly, I might need some help opening it. So I needed some help opening it from my brother. Now let's open it up. Here it is. Now I'm gonna carefully put it like this so I don't spill anything, and I'm gonna pour it into the cup so I can try it. Let's pour it in like that, and now I'm gonna try it for the moment of truth. Most important message of this video is to always be nice to your mom, and then she will always make you delicious smoothies like this one. So if you guys want more videos like this, you need to like, subscribe, share with all your friends, and turn on the post notifications so you get notified every time I post a new video. Assalamu alaikum.